Hey everybody, welcome to a very unique property. So this is a listing that we have in Jasper. It's on 7 acres and it's kind of back off the beaten path. As you come down a long driveway to get to this property, what you're going to see is that there is a beautiful creek front that wraps 180 degrees, gives you a great view from the backside of the property. But I'd like to take you inside and show you the custom beam construction that was done here. These are Sisson beams, which is a wonderful manufacturer to do this type of work. So let's check out this open concept plan and take you on a tour through it. All right, let's go. So this unique property not only boasts 7+ acres of land that is completely serene, but as you come into this open concept plan, what you're gonna see over here is a cast iron fireplace as one of the primary heat sources for this place, which makes it on the side of green, as well as a wonderfully open concept plan with a gourmet kitchen. Let's take you on a tour. So as you can see, this is the primary entertaining space, which has your television over here, but you also have this raised stone area, and this thing is roaring right now with a cast iron fire. This can be adjusted where you could heat this whole place on the coldest winter days and even have the back sliders open. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, once we take you back there and you see what the entertainment space on the back deck looks like, you'll understand why. But first, let's check out this gourmet kitchen. So you get this wonderfully huge island that's very custom. It's like a pebblestone granite island that also has the contrasting cabinetry over here with the same exact granite and the subway tile backsplash to go with it. In here you've got a gas range, so everything out here would be propane because there's not going to be any natural gas, as well as a vented range hood, which is gorgeous. The kitchen wraps around completely with a view out the back. And before we go out there and show you the exceptional backyard, let's check out the master suite. So this oversized master suite sits off the back and gives you the same view off the rear deck. The whole porch wraps around, so you have plenty of porch space if you want to sit on a rocking chair and get different views. The landscape has plenty of room if you wish to expand. For example, if you wanted to put in a pool, there's room to do that. And what you can see in here is the ceilings are a knotty pine ceiling that have been done in a very light stain so that they have a contrast to the rest of the trim work that you can see inside this master suite. And now let's take you into the master bath. So this master bath is incredibly luxurious. I love the way that it's laid out. So in here you're going to have the LVP floors with a great color. You're going to have actual solid wood doors with a lot of staining on it. And this has the garden style tub for soaking. No jets. Remember, jets are no longer popular. And this has that same view out the side where you can see the creek out there. Now this boasts into a massive master shower. This is what I would probably call a dirty subway tile bath walls, kind of has that clay look to it. Super rustic, really cool, massively spacious shower. It does have the seamless glass for the door, but it's almost unnecessary based on its sheer size. So in here, you're going to have the master closet, which has plenty of space for hanging his and hers clothes, or if you want just hers and he can use a different room. So this is the third bedroom, which really serves as an office. It's completely set up for office. It's probably about 10 by 10, so it's a smaller room, but it also looks out the front, so this is perfect. If you configure the house like this, it would be a 2-bedroom with an office versus a 3-bedroom, but this easily could have a guest room set up in it. But we're gonna show you the other guest room, which has its own full bathroom instead. Come on. So if you're gonna have family stay with you and you want them to be in the lap of luxury, then this is the space. This king-size bed fits beautifully within this large guest room and has that same view of the water on this side. It's completely separate from the master suite. It's on the other side of the house, so it gives the guests the privacy and the quiet that they deserve and has its own bathroom. So as you can see, this quaint extra bathroom, has a wonderful countertop to it, with its own sink and the shower enclosure. So it's really a 3/4 bath with its own private master closet that is over here on this side, kind of completing the whole ambiance. If you're gonna have somebody stay with you and they need some privacy, they've got their own bathroom, their own bedroom, and their own view out on the other side of this house. So right off the master island, there are 3 benches where you can use that as your table, but there also is a spot for 6 where you could probably put one for 8 as well. Plenty of room for a big table, as well as built-in cabinetry. So if you didn't have enough cabinets in that gourmet kitchen, you do. And this leads to the best part of the house. Come check this out. As you go through these wonderfully large sliders, you come out to the best space. Now this is a rainy day, so you're gonna hear a little bit trickle of the rain, but you have this dry, wonderful space with these sisson beams that were carried on through the house continue out here to show you this massive fireplace where we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more wood on the fire. And this boasts a 180-degree view of nothing but a babbling brook. Over on that side of the property, not only will you see the brook, but there's actually a pond that is fed by a small waterfall that trickles down from the same water source in which your pets can swim in it. It is a swimmable small little pond, although not ideally to be advertised as a pool, but that area is a great area to go ahead and set up a picnic table and to have family in the summertime. But even here in the winter, as we're standing outside, oh my gosh, this fireplace is putting off so much heat that I can stay warm, sit here, watch TV in this great space. And the wraparound porch continues around both sides and leads to the garage. Take a look. Welcome to the outhouse. And by outhouse, I really mean laundry room. No luxury property is complete without having its own laundry room, which this also would double as a mudroom coming straight off of the garage, which has a covered walkway that we're gonna take you into. You have your spots to hang your hats and put your shoes over here, as well as because this has an LVP floor, it's really easy from a cleanup standpoint. Let's go out and check out the garage. Okay, so this gives us a nice covered walkway into a 2-car garage that is completely detached. Let's take a look. So this 2-car garage not only is extremely well insulated, you have insulated garage doors, but as you look up in through this opening, you have extra storage, but you'll be able to see that they foamed the entire attic in this, which means this will maintain temperature all year round. So if you want to store things in here that are sensitive to moisture or too cold or too much heat, this garage is going to be perfect on this particular property. So now what we're going to do is take you on a walk of the rest of the 7 acres, showing you some of the fenced in areas that have the animals, as well as the creek frontage all the way down. So if you like this property and you're looking for acreage that is built right on the water, then reach out to us and talk to us and see if this property is perfect for you. It won't last long, so give us a call. The number's below. Thanks so much.